So she sees that chessboard and she says, Raja, I changed my mind. You know, I don't want anything from there. Can I ask you for something else? And the Raja said, anything you want. And she said, can you give me 2 grains of rice on the first square of the chessboard, and can you start doubling it for every square? And the parents and the villagers, when they heard that, they were shattered. Oh, stupid girl, what are you doing? This was your chance to get gold and diamond and rubies and emeralds. And everybody was upset. Most of all, the little girl's parents, they said, what are you doing? This is your chance. Go get that gold. But the Raja was very happy from inside. Remember, he was greedy. He said, give her a few grains of rice. Give her a few grains of rice and that will be it. So now I want you to count with me. On the first square, 2. On the second square, 4. On the third square, 6 or 8. 8. On the third square, 16. On the fourth square, 32. On the next square, 64. 32. On the next square, 64. On the next square, 100. On the next square. Wonderful. 256 grains of rice by the end of the first row. And 256 grains of rice is a lot of grains of rice to count, right? So the Raja said, oh, enough counting, isko jaldi jaldi karo. 256 grains of rice will fit on 1 spoon. So he said, spoon lao. And then on the next row, 2 spoons of rice, right? And then 256 spoons of rice is too many spoons to measure. So the Raja said, and 256 spoons of rice is like a big vessel. So he says, bring the vessel and use the vessel. So the third row, what shall we call it? What do you call a vessel? Patili? Patila? Okay, so let's work with patila. Do patila.